morning. Good afternoon. I don't even know what time it is. Oh, it's 11:30. I'm going to JD Sports. I guess you could say for a brand deal or something like that, to post like on my story. And I'm really excited. My face though is extremely puffy, and I've done everything. I've done the gusha, cold water to like really depuff, ice, all that, but it's not depuffing. It's just huge right now. So I'm gonna get ready. I need to find my sunscreen. Hold on. I have to drive to Manhattan, and I'm really excited about that. This is not coming out. I got these little sunscreens, and these are like the best sunscreen to wear under makeup. Like, you know when you wear sunscreen and it's like you get like cakey a little bit under makeup, or like what happens is like it'll like start peeling or something. It's just perfect to wear under makeup, and I'm running out of them. I think I just need to bite the bullet and like buy a big one because it just is so good. After you rub it in, it's like sheer too. Such a good sunscreen. It really gets the job done. It's not cakey, it's not too thick, it doesn't break me out, and it kind of leaves you glowy. I just love a good sunscreen like this. It's probably so expensive since it's Lancome, but I don't know. It just is so good. I'm trying to like do everything to depuff. Still, it's not working. This is my smoothie that I just made, but it's like gone now. I'm trying to chug that, and I'm trying to chug water. I'm gonna get ready and I'll get right back. I'm gonna do like a little fit check. This top is from H&M. Literally, it was $8. $8. These jeans are from Scuffers. Scuffers? Yeah. I sized up a little too big, so I keep walking around like that. This belt is from H&M as well, and it was $8, which I think is amazing because like it kind of does not look like a cheap outfit. This bag I thrifted. You can really get a black bag anywhere, and I thrifted this watch. This I bought from a little girl on the street. I don't know, she was making bracelets, and I think it's the cutest little thing ever. But yeah, that's the fits of the ZZ. Okay, bye. Okay, me and my friend Brianna trying this. What did you get?
I got the California one, so it's like a California roll, but I added fish cakes and some spicy yuzu chili garlic sauce.
So yummy! I can't wait to eat mine. I got tuna, avocado, mayo, and then I added egg, and I don't know what else is in here, but it looks really good. Then we each got, I don't know, like a sauce. I think soy sauce is in here too. Matchas. She said the matcha tastes like cereal milk.
Cheerios.
But it's really good.
It is really good.
So let's see. I never had the tuna before, and she's never had this
at all.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot how messy it is.
It's messy.
ASMR.
Mine chewing is so loud.
Yeah? Do you hear me? I don't hear you. And that was all. Go best friends! We killing them. I don't even think that's the lyrics. No, new friends!
Yeah.
Get rid of them.
I don't know the rest.
Me neither. I'm gonna do a weekly vlog, so this is part of my week. Instead of day in the life, week in the life vlog. I got the most votes on Friday.
Fire.
We're talking about, because I did a poll on Instagram of like what days I should post a YouTube video on. Wednesday came in second place. So if I do 2 videos a week, I would post on Wednesday. But I feel like right for now, I'm just gonna focus on Fridays. Hi. It is a random day of the week. One small detail is I actually enjoy cooking. And the only thing we're actually gonna be making is just spaghetti. Because I already have sauce made. So Oh shit, why would I do that? It's like 9 o'clock at night and I'm eating dinner. I'm like not that hungry though, which I should be kind of concerned why I'm still gonna decide to eat, but whatever, it's okay. So I just put that water on, and tell me why we don't have normal salt in this house. We have Italian salt. So we're gonna use Italian salt. Maybe it's different, maybe it's healthier, who knows. We're gonna let that sit and boil. Apparently this is a really, really good brand, so this is what I use. It is made with hold on. There's a reason why it's really good for you. It's made with, I can't pronounce it, durum meat. This is made with durum wheat, semolina, durum wheat semolina. Apparently it's really better. One ingredient, 100% durum wheat. Pasta's not that good to eat every day, but I still do it. And this is the meat sauce that we're using that I defrosted today. I fucking love pasta. Okay, my water is boiling, so we're gonna put this, put about like this much. We have the spaghetti. Oh, it's getting foggy. The spaghetti. 2 tablespoons of this. That is how it's looking. It's looking a little sad right now, but it should be warmed up, but whatever. Voila. Pasta with meat sauce. Let's do a taste test. Amazing. Try some. Hi, I did my makeup so I look a little put together, and right now it's Thursday. I'm getting ready to go out to eat with my friends that I haven't seen in a pretty long time, and we're just getting like Italian food, nothing crazy. I'm trying to like do a really cool slicked back bun kind of look. This is literally like a day old curly hair, so it's like kind of crunchy because I put more product in, so I feel like it's the perfect time to do that sick cool curly bun look, and I'm really excited and focused. But ow, hold on. Okay, I need to like spray my hair down with water because it's looking kind of funky. La da da da. I'm like making sure my phone's angled. I think I'm doing this good. All right, let's start this video. Is done. It's a little crunchy on top, but that's fine. The outfit I'm wearing, something kind of basic, but it'll be cute, I think, once I put it on. Get back to you in a minute. Is it blurry? All right, so this is what I ended up wearing. The jeans are from Zara, and then the shoes, I don't know if you can see the little shoes, they're from ASOS. Earrings are from ASOS. Bag is thrifted, and yeah, I think it's like a perfect little classy going to dinner fit. Okay, bye.